Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Why was the Panchayat Raj system adopted? Answer is to decentralize the power of democracy. In colorful diamond, why are different colors present? Answer is due to impurities. From the view of international economy, what does third world imply? Answer is the developing countries. Which is a landlocked country? Answer is Zimbabwe. The ruler of which state was removed from power by the British on the pretext of misgovernance? Answer is Awadh. With which field was Satyajit Ray associated? Answer is direction of films. Which plant is referred to as a living fossil? Answer is ginkgo. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to finally pass the Constitution? Answer is about 3 years, since December 9, 1946. What is the country through which both equator and Tropic of Capricorn pass? Answer is Brazil. From where did the Quit India movement start? Answer is Bombay on August 8, 1942. Which physical quantities have the same dimensions? Answer is momentum and impulse. In which year did UN establish the UN Conference on Trade and Development? Answer is 1964. Which committee was formed to suggest means for eradicating black money? Answer is Chellaiah Committee. The Karakoram Highway connects which pairs of country? Answer is China to Pakistan. Which Indian revolutionary helped Subhash Chandra Bose in raising Indian National Army? Answer is Ras Behari Bose. Which crop would be preferred for sowing in order to enrich the soil with nitrogen? Answer is gram. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is the number of unpaired electrons in carbon atom? Answer is 2. Which latitude passes through India? Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Which type of coal is difficult to light in the open air? Answer is P8. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by the abnormal increase of which cells? Answer is white blood cells. How many subjects are in the Union list? Answer is 97 subjects. Which instrument used for recording earthquake waves? Answer is seismograph. Which Mughal emperor gave land for the construction of Golden Temple at Amritsar? Answer is Akbar. What does oxidation involve? Answer is loss of electrons. Among South Asian countries, in which one is the maternal mortality ratio is lowest? Answer is Bangladesh. What is meant by underwriting? The term frequently used in financial sector. Answer is undervaluation of the asset. Caldera is a feature associated with which thing? Answer is volcanoes. Under the leadership of which guru did the Sikh become a political and military force? Answer is Guru Gobind Singh. Which part of plant is important for the life cycle of plant? Answer is flower. By which committee were Mandal Panchayats recommended? Answer is Ashok Mehta Committee. What will be if a pendulum clock be taken from the earth to a revolving artificial satellite? Answer is it will stop altogether. Which city is associated with the river Mekong? Answer is Phnom Penh. Which decisive battle was fought during the Third Carnatic War between the English and the French? Answer is Vandy Wash. Coolgardie lies in the Australian province of which direction? Answer is Western Australia. Gam Gopi Krishna was a master of which dance form? Answer is Kathak. Which is an insectivorous plant? Answer is pitcher plant. A ship met with an accident at 30 degrees east and 35 degrees north. Where was the ship was sailing? Answer is Mediterranean Sea. Which gave an impetus to the growth of militant nationalism on a widespread scale? Answer is Partition of Bengal. Who propounded that destiny determines everything, man is powerless? Answer is Ajivikas. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.